Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 2 Round Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So if you want to change the straps on your watch, first you need to remove the old ones. And to do it, you need to pick up your watch. And on the back of your watch, you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And this is the quick release mechanism. And basically how it works is when you pull on the lever, it releases the pin from your watch and you can pull out the strap. Quite simple. You need to pull the lever towards the middle of the strap, of course. So let's try it. I recommend to use a fingernail or maybe some kind of, I don't know, prying tool. It's quite hard to pull on it. It's a struggle. So let's try with this finger. Okay, and once you pull on it, the strap will, you will be able to pull the strap out. Let's do the same for the second side, for the other side rather, like that. And here we have our watch and our straps. And how it works, how this mechanism works is quite simple. You have pins on each side of the strap, and one with the lever on it, on the side of the lever, is retractable, and you can retract it to basically release the mechanism from your watch. So if you try to pull on the lever, it retracts, and once it retracts, it basically releases the pin from this hole on your watch, and then you are able to pull out the strap from your watch. And once you get the new straps, it's quite simple to put them on. You grab the watch, you grab the strap, you take the side further away from the pin, from the lever rather. So you take the pin on the other side of the opposite side of the lever. You put it in the hole on your watch, like this. Then you pull on the lever to retract the pin on this side. Align the strap with the hole, release it, and then it will click in. Basically, you can hear the click, and it will lock. So again, you put it in the hole, like this. Oh, my bad. Let's try it again.
Start workout.
Oh, I started the workout by mistake, but you put it in the hole, you pull on the lever. Come on. Okay. And then you align it with the other hole and release it, and it should click in, and it's holding. Okay, let's stop the workout. How do I completely stop it? Maybe this button. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.